What's up, guys? I didn't pick up. One of my friends picked up this very interesting pair of Kyrie S1 Hybrids, as you can see here. They're extremely different to what you would normally see. They're not too popular, not very many people know about them. And I'm going to share them with you. Not going to throw them on, but I will definitely share them with you. Here they are. As you can see, they have an interesting little tag right there. A lot of very interesting information on it. Now, I'm not going to read that stuff out loud. What I will say is these sneakers are pretty interesting. So this other sneaker has the tag right here. I find that extremely interesting. Also, with these S1 hybrids, I do have to point out right here in the back of the shoe, in the heel area, it's quite gorgeous. It looks like a high fashion sneaker with all this going on. All in all, it's a pretty interesting shoe. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, it's got some white going on, some teal, some black, this interesting little shoe tag, and inside there's a little roadway pattern, very similar to the other sneaker. That roadway is on the outside as well. Just open it up here, you can see the little roads, Kyrie Avenue, 1.5 steals per game. Awesome conventional stripe here. Very, very nice material. All in all, this is a pretty crazy sneaker. I'll show you some shots of both of them, and you can tell me what you think in the comments below. They don't really pop too much on foot, but if you know what they are, they're quite interesting, because I'm pretty sure they're super limited and not very many people know about them. Thanks for watching.